I wish it could just continue develop, and I'll just go grab some coffee or something. Okay, is it working now? Okay, so it's working okay. New sentences after a pause are in a new line, which is very promising. I like it very much. Now we need to test if copy text works. Yeah, we don't really need, after copying the text, after clicking the copy text button, we don't really need the pop-up thingy. I really don't like it. Yeah, this is closer to talking to a developer directly. Okay, is this working fine? Okay, this is working okay. The speech rate seem to work. We have the words per minute. The maximum volume, I think it just stays constant. What if we speak a bit louder? Does it actually pick up on the maximum volume? Would actually change or not? And no, it would not change. Can we make sure the max volume actually working? But I really like this. I really like this. It's super quick. We need a description below the main canvas of the HTML. We would like to actually, you know, what sections would you recommend adding? Can you just make suggestions in the chat without modifying the code? Yeah, the max volume. That sounds good. The explanation of how the tool works. Now the setting preference, we might leave it as is. I like the clean design of the application. Okay, we don't want to actually make any changes to the code at this stage. It looks pretty good. I actually like it very much. Hey, we might do more fine-tuning later on. We really should have keyboard shortcuts for copy and clear. The chart, we could improve on the chart. It's it's weird. So most of the activity is not scaling properly at the moment. So what do we have? The max volume, the volume and the speech rate are too low, so they're barely visible on the chart. We might need to fix that, but also make sure that the maximum value fits into the screen. We do not want to auto scale continuously though, so we want to select the highest value and only adjust if the maximum volume or speech rate goes above that value all of a sudden, but the default value should make sense. I like how it works. Okay, so we didn't change anything, but is it actually working? I don't think it's working. Yeah, that's the other thing about it. That after making a change, it will introduce bugs into the code. That's not cool. Okay, is it working now? Okay, the charts, yeah, it's fine. It's not great, but It's better than nothing. Also trying to make sure the maximum volume actually works. So when we speak louder, yeah, I would have expected the max volume to go higher, but it didn't. The speech rate, words per minute, okay. I think we're doing something locally with the previous version. Well, it was using something else from memory. I have to check, but this one is working pretty well. So what's the first rule of engineering? What's it? Don't break it. Don't change it unless it's broken. Yes, can you just specify which browsers this will work in? Don't tell me it's only Chromium based. It shouldn't update the code. Yes, we're trying to fix this transcription thingy. Yeah, we just removed all the styling. Yeah, I don't like. Do I like the styling? Yeah, let me know what you think of the styling of the page. Because we do have a styling thingy for the whole project. Yes, all the buttons and things should look the same everywhere. Yeah, I can share the CSS for the whole project, if that helps. This styling, this CSS is a separate file. This is applied for the whole website. And then the idea is that if we need any specific styling for the current page, we have it on as part of the HTML script of the page, of a specific page. But then it has to not interfere with the styling of the whole website. Will it start another canvas? No. Can you give me a quick summary of the CSS and how it might potentially interfere with what we have in the HTML for this specific page? Okay, that doesn't really work, does it? No. Sounds like I'll have to do it manually. Yeah, I'll probably need a separate session on this just to fix all the styling on the website. Yeah, might need to start a new chat, but I mean, it is pretty good as it is. We might try fixing it manually. 1 2 1 2 testing. Transcription working well. Okay, I think we're ready to deploy this. A real-time speech visualizer.